So
Okay.
first of all, we'll start with knowing your name because there will be a lot of people that will be watching this video when it's uploaded on YouTube. So we want to know your name, what you do. Maybe you can also tell us where you are from.
Well, my name is Gloria Stina. When is here.
Okay.
I'm Igbo, married to an Akwa Ibomite, a professor.
Okay. Okay.
So for a while, I've been on the online space, not too. I've done some bit of network marketing, affiliate marketing, digital marketing here and there. Then I stumbled into Amazon KDP publishing, I think in year 2000 and 2021 or
Okay.
between 2020 to 2021.
Okay.
That's when I started Amazon. Written several books. Then my husband joined as a professor that he is. I think he have over 300 books.
Wow. That's
So,
good.
yeah.
Okay. So how is your experience so far before you actually first of all, how did you get to know about ValueBank?
Yes, when the first this thing that I got was is it Uncle Fenga?
Okay.
Should be
Okay.
either in London or Canada now.
Yeah.
When digital something, it's zero contact. This is so I wrote a lot of zero contact book. But his issue was after buying that course, I needed to upgrade, which I didn't do because I didn't see immediate result and I was now skeptical about it. And he didn't have like a direct mentorship for those of us that bought a certain amount. It's maybe one-on-one mentorship, and I didn't upgrade to that. Then somehow, after I bought two other persons' courses, I can't remember those courses again, I was needing a group for mentorship.
Okay.
And I stumbled on Lega Naira on X, former Twitter, joined his group. I think that was where you also joined. That's where I met you.
Yeah.
So you know this thing when you are in a group with somebody and then the person posts and it's a frequent say the algorithm tend to push their content. That's how I start seeing your content. Then I joined the free Zero to Hero DC. Then you talked about the paid one. That should be in 2023 or 2024.
Yeah.
I was about the first set of people too that bought them.
Okay. Okay. And when you bought, the course was not completed, but
Yes, because you were dropping. That is why this last one, I didn't want to join that lady being angry because it was like, I kept telling my husband that this thing is your courses are detailed, but the problem is dropping it. So that particular course, unfortunately, it's only that book that I wrote, only one through that course as at that time. After that 2024, I wrote that course, uploaded it in July. It didn't make sale. Because I waited for you to drop the
launch videos.
launch video. You did not. I just drop it, and then my mind was almost going off Amazon because some months I'll get $7, some months $10. My husband refused to do ads. One time I did that as it was trying to get the general sponsored ad that I clustered about 20 books together.
Okay.
And I paid some amount. When my $100 finished and I was owing them, they blocked
your other account.
They flagged my this thing, my account, my credits. This are now left. So if I have to start running ads now, they will remove their balance of $50. That I'm
Yeah.
already prepared for. So when the account was flagged, I wasn't bothered again. Any day I see $20, when it gets to the amount I can withdraw from Payoneer, because I started with Uncle
Finger.
Hakim, yes, I created Payoneer from that time that you don't need so much bottleneck to create.
Yeah.
So I had that this thing. I get my payment through Payoneer. So by the time I saw the whole this thing, I think till this January, sometime my husband will do $200, 300 with all of his books.
Books.
I tried to convince him that since he have more time writing, and by if I now read some of the lessons, I'll just tell him he was the one writing. Most of the time that I subscribe for ChatGPT, he was just the one writing. I
Okay.
just keep subscribing. I hardly even use it because I was not even now writing again. So,
Yeah.
but I keep subscribing for him to keep writing. He will pay sometimes $200, 300. I think the highest he ever did was close to $500. He has not done $500.
Okay.
Then that book sold the first time in January.
That was January this year.
January this year from 2024. I made about $100. That was the first I made about $100. It was so amazing and I was so happy. So after all the years of sewing, and I now decide to now pick up. I say, if this book has started selling, let me go back to the course.
Course.
By February, did another $112 or thereabout. By March, he did another 300. And April, I say I was looking maybe for 500 before I know. Some days just by the time I check my account, it was getting up to 1,000. My husband was even saying, this month you make up to 1,000. We wake up one day to see that for a single day I made about almost $1,200.
Wow.
The same book. As at that time, I've not done the AI plus content.
Okay.
I've not done the editorial review.
Yeah.
I don't have any review. And it was just going by its own. It entered #1 bestseller for that category, both on Kindle and
On paperback.
on Kindle and paperback, and was selling. At the time I show you the screenshot, it was 7,000 plus. That month ended with about 8,000 plus. Almost 95% that book. Last month it closed with 3,000 plus because I was waiting for this thing to now use to run ads this month, and I've not run the ads yet.
Okay.
So only the book, I have about at least 20 other books, but only that book have sold this month sold. The other book, I don't know whether Amazon now forgot about it. So at least I've made about 1/8 on that book without ads. But from that April, I got my first review, positive review. The one maybe drunkard gave me a bad review. I put one. I didn't do anything. Before I know, other people counteracted this review. So far as I tasted it, I have 25 review.
Organically.
Organically, 25.
Wow. That's
In
good.
by review. That book I've done over. It was in that April, May that I now uploaded the A plus content. That's when I now went to your training, learned how to do it, uploaded A plus content, editorial review, and the book. That gained that traction.
That's good. If there is one advice you have to give to someone who wants to go into book publishing, what would it be? if you should share your framework that you currently use in publishing, what would your advice be to these people?
In fact, I have two of my young cousins here with me. I think they're somewhere listening to this voice call. This thing is I've insisted that their dad buy laptop for them. They're in the university here in Akwa Ibom, and then the parents left them in my care. Just like I'll tell anybody to get your course and study it, I intend that once they get their laptop, I'll subscribe them to that course, follow the step. Because I may not be able to be teaching them one-on-one, but just follow the step.
Okay. So thank you so much. So the reason why I normally do this section is to encourage others, because one of my major goals is to help a lot of people make money online. Yeah. And it's through these testimonies and the stories of people that other people will get encouraged to actually. Some people have the money to pay for mentorship, but they want to see all the proof in this world before they can make payments. That is why most of my recent videos, I started starting videos with the screenshot of the earnings of students, so that they see that this thing is working. It's something that I can go into and I also make money. You get? And it's also good that you have thought through the path of getting an LLC. You get? Because for me, for what I've seen, from my experience, Amazon actually respects LLC account more than personal accounts. If peradventure you have issue with your LLC account, there is ways that you can get that account back, because it's respected. You are publishing as a company, not just as an individual.
Yes.
Okay, so it's actually really good. And I also want to say thank you for having this call with me, and I really do appreciate.
Thank you too.
And congratulations on your growth.
Yes, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Just like when I shared that this thing, some persons came to my DM. I told them just to follow your course patiently, because I bought several persons. I tried out many. In fact, even Legal Naira revamp, I was waiting for it. It didn't complete it, and then that I will just publish it now that I now pick traction again, because I've seen results, and as the money came, I map out the one that I will use now to run ads. So far, that book have given me close to $14,000. No ads.
Crazy. So thank you so much. I really do appreciate for this section.
Thank you.
And greet professor for me.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Maybe the next one you will join.
Yeah,
if it was during the day, it would have been easier. The children were disturbing, so he's skipping it, and let them not come and crash land my video.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right, sir. Thanks.
Yeah.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Yeah, good night.